For anyone trying to lose weight, the word carbs is akin to blasphemy. Carb is the age-old enemy. Carbs are the evil nemesis of WeightWatchers everywhere. Carbs mean calories, and weight loss requires cutting calories. It has been the traditional belief that foods packed with carbs will cause you to pack on the pounds. Even healthy carbs like starchy vegetables and whole grains are high in carbs, so many classic diets restrict them as well. The result is that we have become to believe that carbs are bad for us. Not only do they hinder weight loss, but they are downright unhealthy. Well, science has recently turned that belief upside down by telling us that carbs may be your best ally in the battle to lose weight. Leveraging carbs to help us lose weight is called carb cycling. It is a method whereby eating carbs can lead to weight loss rather than weight gain. Why is the 7-day plan different? Many of us struggle with our weight and strive to be fit and healthy. We've all experimented with different diets and eating regimens. We've tried diets that promised amazing weight loss in X number of days. We've tried diets that promised we'd never feel hungry or sluggish. We've tried diets that you could eat everything and lose weight, only to find that everything meant in half spoonfuls. What makes the carb cycling plan different? First, it makes a lot of sense because it addresses our metabolism rather than our stomach. After all, it's our metabolism that burns calories and melts off those pounds. Secondly, although it has been recently hailed as a breakthrough in the field of healthy eating and weight loss, it has been popular among athletes for decades, especially those doing high-resistance training. Many of them rely on carb cycling to build lean muscle and boost their energy levels. Thirdly, a carb recycling plan is not as restrictive as other diets. It's therefore easy to follow. Fourthly, the plan is used only to achieve shorter-term weight loss goals, after which you must stop. How carb cycling works. Our body's metabolism is very similar to this process. Carbs are the main food group that fuels our metabolism so that it burns calories and gives us energy. Carbs are also very filling. Therefore, diets that cut out or strictly limit carb intake make us feel tired and sluggish. They also make us irritable, hungry, and more likely to binge. With the 7-day carb cycling plan, a person consumes carbs to boost metabolism. The plan causes the body to use carb-rich foods to function at the optimal peak, burning fat and building muscle. The result is weight loss with less flab. What is the 7-day plan? The weekly plan alternates high-carb days with low-carb days to keep your metabolism in a regular cycle of fat burning. A typical 7-day plan looks like this: Monday, high-carb intake. Tuesday, low-carb intake. Wednesday, high-carb intake. Thursday, low-carb intake. Friday, high-carb intake. Saturday, high-carb day, or the option of rewarding yourself. You can indulge moderately in your favorite foods. This is also called cheat day. Sunday, low-carb day. What you eat. Carbs, they are the main source of fuel for the body and essential for boosting metabolism. They are also essential for putting the fat-burning cycle into action. Protein, this is the foundation of your carb cycling plan. You must eat between 1/5 to 1/7 of the minimum required daily intake with each meal. Fat intake will remain consistent throughout the plan. You may raise your fat intake a little bit on low-carb days for more energy. Why the carb cycling diet works? One of the main reasons is flexibility. It really doesn't feel like a diet because there is a wide variety of foods to choose from. You can eat your favorite foods on certain days. People who follow the plan report not feeling deprived. And the cheat day really helps as well. It gives you the ability to customize your plan if you stick to the basic rules. It can easily be adopted into your lifestyle and become permanent or a long-term eating habit. It is a simple protocol. Any layman who wants to lose weight will have no trouble following the easy guidelines. Perhaps the strongest point is that it is proven simultaneously build muscle while burning fat. This is a dream come true for anyone who wants to shed stubborn pounds. Sample meal plans. Putting all this information into a concrete meal plan can be daunting for beginners. These sample meal plans for a typical carb cycling week should help. Use them as a basic blueprint for designing your meals, but remember, it's not carved in stone. You can add or discard meals according to your chosen 7-day plan. Plan 1. Monday, low carb day. Breakfast. 3 whole eggs, scrambled, poached, boiled or fried. 1/2 cup of high carb fruit like blueberries, pineapple or peaches. 1 cup oatmeal sweetened with honey. Snack. Apple or 1/2 cup unsalted nuts. Lunch. Turkey sandwich with lettuce and tomato on whole wheat bread. Herbal tea. Snack. 1/2 cup ricotta cheese or 2 medium apricots. Dinner. Spinach frittata. Grilled beef strips with green bell peppers. Green salad. Tuesday, high carb day. Breakfast. 2 slices whole wheat bread with Swiss cheese. 1 cup low-fat yogurt with fresh blueberries. Snack. 1 banana. Lunch. Grilled salmon with brown rice. Grated carrot and cucumber salad. Snack. 1 slice whole wheat bread with almond butter. Dinner. Whole wheat pasta with fresh tomatoes. Black beans with garlic oil. Fresh green salad. Wednesday, low carb day. Breakfast. 3 scrambled eggs with avocado. Snack. 2 apricots or 2 plums. Lunch. Caesar salad with grilled chicken strips. Herbal tea. Snack. Low-fat yogurt or 1/2 cup of nuts. Dinner. Flank steak with green beans and onions. Green salad with feta cheese. Thursday, high carb day. Breakfast. 2 poached eggs. 2 slices whole wheat toast. 1/2 cup fruit. Snack. 1/2 cup fruit or nuts or 1 banana. Lunch. 1 cup brown rice with chickpeas. Sweet potatoes. Green salad. Snack. Low-fat yogurt with honey or 1 banana. Dinner. Baked potato. Grilled chicken breast. Avocado and tomato salad. Friday, low carb day. Breakfast. 1/2 cup oatmeal. 1/2 cup fruit. 1/2 cup ricotta, feta or goat cheese. Snack. 1/2 cup fruit or nuts or 1 low-fat yogurt. Lunch. Avocado and chicken salad. Sliced tomatoes on lettuce. Herbal tea. Snack. 1 orange or 1 apple or 2 plums. Dinner. Grilled salmon with vegetables. Naked beans. Green salad. Saturday, high carb day. Breakfast. 2 scrambled eggs on whole wheat toast. 1 low-fat yogurt sweetened with honey. Lunch. Sweet potatoes. Lentil soup. Snack. 1/2 cup nuts or fruit. Dinner. Tuna casserole whole wheat noodles. Spinach salad. Sunday, low carb plus cheat day. Breakfast. Lean sausages with fried eggs. 1/2 cup fruit. Snack. Almond butter or 1/2 cup nuts. Lunch. Tuna salad. 1 piece of fresh fruit. Snack. 2 plums, 2 apricots or 1 apple. Dinner. Whatever you want. In moderation, please. For example, have 2 slices of pizza instead of 2 or 3. Indulge in a moderate portion of ice cream or cake. If you've been craving French fries all week, eat a small plate of them, not a whole platter. You get the idea. Conclusion. This was a simple presentation of the carb diet and how it works. We have covered all the information you need to know to get started. So, what are the main takeaways? Carb cycling works by fueling your metabolism to burn fat and build muscle simultaneously. Carb cycling is based on a 7-day plan where you have high carb days and low carb days. You plan your meals around the recommended daily intake of carbs, proteins, and fats for that day. You lose weight. diets that eliminate carbs just don't work for everybody. The deprivation and resulting cravings can be too much. Because the 7-day carb cycling plan is not restrictive, you have a much higher chance of sticking to it. Even on low-carb days, you are still able to eat carbs. This could possibly be the easiest and least painful way of losing weight. If you find the flexibility and wide variety of foods appealing, then it's worth a try. It is certainly far less rigid and restricting, and people have reported that they hardly ever feel hungry. And of course, there is the ultimate benefit of losing weight and building muscle mass simultaneously. So, go ahead, stock up on healthy carbs and proteins, have fun with your meal plans, and start looking better, feeling better and getting in shape today.